Hey y'all, I'm coughing over here. It's Clark Smith Adventures, off for another adventure. We're in Perry Hall, Maryland. Still. I'll show you the houses that we looked at, me and Jermaine. They wanted way too much. But I wouldn't mind living back here. Like, it's real nice and chill. It's chill, homie. They're having a party. Oh yeah, they're having a big party. Big barbecue. Picnic. Cool. I have my sidekick with me, Ravenna, aka Raven. The Highlands of Perry Hall. This is what we looked at. We went into the model. Very nice, 4 5-bedroom homes, finished basements, good neighborhood out here in Perry Hall. There's children playing. Oh, that's cute. They have like a little pool. Nice neighborhood. I wouldn't mind living in something like this. I don't like when, houses are like really close together. So I mean, these are pretty decent as far as like space in between. That's a nice house. The one straight ahead. Craftsman style bungalow. Has a kind of like a Victorian turret or something. Raven's hot. You have to excuse her. She hates it. I think she has to pee. But we looked at like this model and like this, the smaller model. Very nice. Not too many out here. It's not like a huge development. I love wrought iron fencing, especially when you have dogs. When you have dogs, like, I love wrought iron fencing. Oh, hi. She waved. How you doing, ma'am? How you doing, ma'am? And your little child. What are you doing? Nice neighborhood. These houses probably go for starting $650. It's Maryland, y'all. I mean, any other places they'd start at like more or less. Just all depends. I love wrought iron fencing. Raven, I have the air conditioning on. Like, you're insane. This is the house with the party. Party, you got a party. We're having a party. That's what the old neighbors told us when they were up at 3 in the morning, screaming, banging, pounding, yelling. We used to live below a bunch of, like, I don't know where they were from. I think they were from like Kuwait. And they partied a lot. Especially, oh shit, dude. Okay, you're turning. Especially when you have to work at like 8 in the morning, Partied a lot, people. And my husband, I think, asked him, what are you doing upstairs? We're having a party. No, the hell you're not. Not when we got to get up at like 7 in the morning. You ain't have no party. Y'all must be out your mind. And they moved. I think they got evicted. There was like 6 of them. I'm like, the 6 of y'all could not pay your rent? Like, what were y'all doing? Partying. Straight up partying. Well, that's a nice house. We're having a party. I was like, what is it? Oh, it's a squirrel. I don't know what I thought it was. Like a baby possum or something. What do you see, Raven? What do you see? What do you see? It's nice back here. It's quiet. I'm all about that shit. Especially when you live in chaos. Apartments are chaotic. It's chaos. Daggone, everybody's having a party. I mean, it is summer, but it's just summer. Summer party. Summer party. I wonder what they're partying about. Birthdays. Shoot, who knows? Oh. It's nice. Dead end. Oh, it's really wooded back here. Raven, it's okay. Oh, stop. Oh, stop, Rio. My dog's name is Raven Simone. Don't ask. I named her that. She's a sassy girl. What? That sign said that a woman's place is in the Resistance. And it had a picture of Princess Leia. Go ahead. I guess they like Star Wars. What the frick frack? Oh no, honey. Like, I can't. Okay. I don't know what you're doing. Oh God, let me get out of here. Let me get out of here. Perry Hall Mansion. Let's look at it. Oh, it's a very historic building. Built in the 1700s, late 1700s. Supposedly it's very haunted, but you know, I have no idea. I have no idea. Perry Hall Mansion. I think it was built in like 1773. Very historic. It's fenced around. You can't go in. I know for a fact that like people used to live there. Not even too many years ago. But Raven, get down. Sorry. Supposedly it's extremely haunted. I mean, you know, it's an old building, so everything's damn haunted these days. You know, them damn ghosts are like, look at all these fools. So, very nice building. I wish I can get like closer, but I don't think there's any way for me. It's not like there's like a driveway. Can't really get too close. Let's see if I can make it bigger. House is big. It's got lots of rooms. Duh. But I noticed like if you look online, there's like a ton of fireplaces. Yep, she had to poop. Poop it out, poop it out. Jeez, Raven. We're going to try to get a little bit of a closer look. Look at those stairs. That's awesome. See the chain link fence? Sorry, I'm breathing so hard. Oh, wow. It looks bigger in pictures. Wow. You can just feel the history. Supposedly, this place had slaves, but I don't know. It's hard to tell. I mean, pretty much, we're in Maryland, so what they don't teach you in school, pretty much everywhere had slaves in Maryland, but they don't really teach you that. There's big windows up at the top with there's several fireplaces. Ooh. Wow. Pretty awesome. I'm sorry, I had to get my dog out of the car. She was like losing her shiznit. Cute. It does look haunted. See, someone like broke a window up there. Dude. Oh, Baltimore County. Under surveillance. Private property. Get away, bitch. If I see someone waving from the windows, I'm done. I'm out. Oh, there's a well back here. Let's look. Raven had to poop and pee. she's a psycho. She had to go. Say, Mommy, I had to go. It's like a little house or shed. Wow. Massive. It's huge. It is big. Hey, woman, get out of here. You don't belong back here. Oh, there's a little lawnmower. Places like this, you can definitely feel the history. It's cool, man. Raven's having a ball, dude. Here's a well. And there's nothing in it but a bag. Ew! Look at that bug. That's one of those things like you gotta kill them because they eat the oh, butterfly. They eat the trees or something. Pull my pants up. Pretty nice. Just set back here in a nice neighborhood. Beautiful. Beautiful house. Something like this, I wish someone would buy it and restore it and live in it. You know? Or buy it and then do tours. What's this person doing near my car? I'll get you. So that's it, y'all. Pretty interesting. Pretty cool. Perry Hall Mansion, Perry Hall, Maryland. It's online. I need to look at it again and just see like the history behind it. I kind of glanced through it. I knew it was built in 1773, you know, but I don't know by who. Mr. Perry, I don't freaking know. But history is important, y'all. And Clark Smith Adventures. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Love y'all. Bye.